Do you want to create your own graphic tees or start a new clothing business but you don't know how to draw? In today's video, I'm going to share with you the technique that will allow you to create this even if you don't know how to draw. Step 1, you can use Photoshop to create compositions with real photos so you can turn them into a drawing later.
These are the photos I started with. I usually use stock photos like this flower. In this case, I used Blender to create my own jar, let's say. I wanted this specific disco bowl look, so I created my own image on Blender to then turn it into a drawing. But usually I use stock images like this one. As you can see, this one is already distorted. Here's the original one. Then I mask it out. As you can see, it's not perfectly done because we don't need to make extensive edits, as this won't be the final file.
Now we're on to step 3, the most important part, the technique. You need to go to filter, gallery. Once in here, you need to look for the stamp filter. Look at this beautiful yet fake drawing. Of course, it doesn't have as much detail as a good drawing, but it does the job, right? We want to vectorize it to make sure we have the maximum quality as it's meant to be printed.
Now let's export this image as a JPG. Let's now open up Illustrator and bring this image there. So how do we vectorize an image like this? For that, we need to head to the image trace button here at the top, open up this panel. From here, usually choose the sketch start preset. Of course, it will depend on the image, so you might try a few of them, but I'm gonna go first try with this one.
Looks good to me like this, so I'm gonna expand it.
I'm now going to refine those edges. I feel like the bottom part is really empty, so I'm gonna add a shadow under the base. This will make it look like it's sitting on a surface and not floating, and it will also help balancing the picture. I'm gonna add some text and I'm gonna select everything and color it in this beautiful blue. Again, we need to make sure it's printable. And we are done, look at it.
I'm really happy with how it turned out. The stamp filter makes miracles, don't you think? If this video was helpful to you, you might also want to check out this one. Remember to subscribe and like this video for more design content. See you next time. Bye!